Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today at Mobile Kangaroo. Today we'll help you determine if your battery has worn down and if it may be time for a battery replacement. Apple has added a very neat feature that will allow you to check your battery's capacity and will also check to make sure your peak performance is responding normally. For iPhone 6 and later, iOS 11.3 and later, added a new feature to show battery health and recommend if a battery needs to be replaced. These can be found in the settings. Scroll down towards this battery and battery health. Maximum battery capacity measures the device battery capacity relative to when it was new. A battery will have a lower capacity as the battery chemically ages, which may result in fewer hours of usage between charges. A normal battery is designed to retain up to 80% of its original capacity at 500 complete charge cycles when operating under normal conditions. If battery health has degraded significantly, the below message will appear below. Your battery's health is significantly degraded. An Apple authorized service provider can replace the battery to restore full performance and capacity. If your device has that reading, you may not be experiencing noticeable battery and performance issues, and receiving a battery replacement at one of our Mobile Kangaroo locations can help with the battery and performance of the device. As the battery health degrades, so can the ability to perform peak performance and cause your device to slow down. If you are not able to view your battery capacity within the battery settings, we'll be able to run diagnostics on your device and it will show us the battery capacity, and we will be able to recommend if your device will need a battery replacement to restore its full capacity. Thank you for joining us today at Mobile Kangaroo. We hope to see you hopping into one of our stores to happily service your device. Thank you.